Hey guys, happy National Ceiling Fan Day everyone. Today is September 18, 2016. And I'm going to make a video of the fans in my house. How about that? So here we have two Hampton Bay Hugger ceiling fans. One is on, that one's off. That fan is going to be blowing that one. This is the Hampton Bay Hugger is off. Hampton Bay Hugger ceiling fan. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day everyone. So happy. Nice. Down here we have the Hunter Roll profile along the Hampton Bay Hugger. It's a nice fan. Once again, I'll make separate videos of these later. Over here we have this fan right next to it. Over here we have the Hover Breeze, like I said, 2 ceiling fan. See that? Starting to blow. So, yeah. Oh. I'm gonna reverse it back the other way. It's a nice fan. Turn this off. Stop it here. Anyways. So. See, that's still spinning right there. I'll turn this back on. Punch one profile. I'm gonna unplug it. The rest of our tour. Plug it here. This one back on. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna show the fans of my house, everybody. Anyways, I'm gonna show the fans of my house here. Or National Ceiling Fan Day. Anyways, here's the Hampton Bay Huggers here. Hover Breeze, Builder's Best. Hover Breeze Rainbow made by Litex. Hunter Infinity, white and brass. Westinghouse Spinner, Hampton Bay Camera 2 white brass. Hampton Bay Camera 2 Plus. Hampton Bay Hover Breeze Armitage 2. Kenmore fan made by Sears, I think. Hover Breeze Pulsar. 2 Closer Breezes. And, so, yeah, there's me in there. Gotta let this socket you can just see. Lighting that is super. And Galaxy. Hunter C series. Hampton Bay Gazebo. Newtone. Harbor Breeze Armitage 5 League Crest. Aura. Up there. Littleton. Back there. Craftmade. Decorative 4-5. Heritage Spinner I got from Brian from the fan. Unknown Builder. Reed C Oasis. Hampton Bay Limo 3. Oh, I forgot my best ones. Oh, it's cool. Fanimation Fitzgerald. Fanimation Urban Jet. And my, and the Mini Breeze that you plug into your computer. One second. Also, by the way, I'll be hooking up the hand today. TVs. So that's pretty much what I have in my room. Turn it off. In the guest bedroom, it's kind of a mess in here, but we got the Hunter Walden 5-minute fan. So let's go fan. Harbor Breeze White Star. What's Pro? Kitchener Original 2s. Whiskey House. And Ian May Hugger. And Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. My battery's dying. So I forgot the Hampton Bay Tahiti Breeze I got yesterday. So Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everyone. Bye.